Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a very delicious seafood salad with prawns, surimi, mussels, crab, pineapple and a lot of more stuff. And this is a real summer luxury salad. I'm Wes, let's get started. Cucumber, we're going to grate our cucumber. A teaspoon of salt. Keep in the fridge for at least 1 hour to get most of the moisture out. 2 teaspoons of Timur berries. They also call them the grapefruit pepper. Very interesting flavor for seafood. We're going to ground them into powder, but not too fine. Like this. Chop the pineapple in nice little bits. Here we go. We got some chive. We're going to use some chervil, and we're also going to use some parsley. We're going to give this a fine chop. Now mostly you find the surimi packed in plastic, very easy to take them out. Just push the end of the plastic. You can slice the surimi the way you like it. So we're going to get rid of the moist in our cucumbers and we're going to squeeze it out a little bit. We're also going to drain the crab meat. We're not going to squeeze it, we want to keep it like this. Peel the prawns. We're going to keep some with a little tail, just for the plating. As for the others, we're going to peel them completely. We need about 2 cups of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of mayonnaise, the cucumber, the herbs, the crab meat, algae, sea salt, which is actually dried seaweed and salt, the ground Timur berries, and we're going to mix it up well. And this is the base for our salad. So we're going to take a large pot so it's easier to mix. Put our surimi in there, the mussels in the pot, pineapple in the pot, our little shrimps in the pot, and the prawns in the pot. Then we're going to put our salad base, our dressing, and we're going to mix it gently. You can prepare this in the morning and keep it in the fridge, and this is going to blend and boost all your flavors, and we're ready to serve. And here we have our prawn and surimi summer salad, fresh and delicious seafood. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and all that's left to say, my dear friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.